Your vision statement. First, think about the best relationship you have with any family member, friend, or fellow. What makes that relationship work so well? What are you both doing to ensure that things continue to go well? Next, imagine that you are writing an inspirational children's book or a movie script about an ideal family or relationship. Describe the positive interactions, communication, or habits between the main characters that make this group special. Number 3, summarize your previous answers into a brief sentence or paragraph. Consider how your vision of the future addresses your relational F.I.R.E.S problem statement. Identify anything that encourages you to strengthen or forge meaningful relationships with your family, friends, and fellows. This is your relational F.I.R.E.S vision statement.